love, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Alimat Amuzat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be sharing how I achieved my pallet bed frame using this as an inspiration. In this video, I'll be sharing the information about the purchase of the material, the carpentry work, also what the finished look looks like. So if you are interested in this affordable, stylish and unique pallet bed frame, then stay right there and let's get right into this video. This is the first shop I went to and the color was not really going with what I want, and I went to the second shop. This pallet were too thin compared to the normal one. Finally, I got what I want. This is the third shop. The pallet is a lot thicker than the second shop. This is an inch thick and the one at the second shop is 3/4 or so. It's less than an inch. Also, the color is exactly what I want. Like, the color is just as I wanted. This lighter brown, this shade exactly. So I got 6 pallets in total. Each of it was sold for 4,000, making 24,000. But at the end, I later used just 5 of this pallet. I didn't use the whole 6. I used just 5 of it, and I used 4 for the floor of the bed, and also used 1 for the headboard of the pallet. So this is the carpenter. He came here to attach everything together. I was not ready to start doing the DIY thing by myself, and I wanted a work that is a bit neater, because I know if I should do it myself I might not be able to get a very neat job. So I gave it out to a carpenter to come fix the remaining work, like fix it together, and I paid 10,000 for this, even though I felt like it did not really give me like what I want, because there's a little bit of things I noticed that was not really given. But for the price I paid is not bad, so I gave him 10,000 to fix everything, like just assemble everything together and do the necessary things to be done on the wood. So this is him just working. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm sure you guys can notice that I make adjustments to the headboard. I wanted something different from the usual pallet bed frame, so I adjusted the headboard a little. This is what it looks like after arranging everything back. So this is what it looks like, guys. I really love this, and it's super affordable and it looks unique because it's not the usual bed frame. Like, I did a little bit of adjustment here and there, and finally I'm in love with the final look. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comment section. Try this out and give me your review about it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share with your friends. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I love you. Bye.